Hello my dear friends. In this video I am attempting to discuss something about retention ratio, or in other words it is related to Gordon formulae. I define here retention ratio as RR, implying thereby RR is equal to EPS, earning per share, minus dividend per share divided by earning per share. Then we are going to calculate the present value of the market price of a share, which is equal to earning per share bracket start 1 minus retention ratio divided by cost of equity minus bracket start retention ratio multiplied by internal rate of return. Let us see its applicability in one form or another in the next slide. Suppose the data which is given on the left hand side, or we can write it data, or you can cite solution. Suppose we have got retention ratio as 0.85, EPS as 24, dividend per share as 3.6, cost of equity as capital as 0.18, and IRR as 0.19. You are required to find out the present value of a share. We define the formula retention ratio is equal to EPS minus DPS divided by EPS. So EPS is given 24 minus dividend per share is 3.6. If we divide it by EPS 24, the answer comes 0.85. Now we have to find out the present value of the share. The formula, as we have discussed in the previous slide, EPS bracket start 1 minus retention ratio divided by cost of equity minus bracket start retention ratio multiplied by IRR. So EPS here is 24 bracket start 1 minus retention ratio is 0.85 divided by cost of equity 0.18 minus bracket start multiply by retention ratio into IRR. So 3.6 divided by 0.18 minus 0.1615. So the present value of a share comes around 194.59. In the next slide, we are here to discuss the Walter formula, which implies market price of a share is equal to dividend plus IRR divided by cost of equity bracket start EPS minus DPS whole is divided by cost of equity. So the pattern is same. Retention ratio is 0.85, earning per share is 24, dividend per share is 3.6, cost of capital is 0.18 and IRR is 0.19. So as dividend we take 3.6 plus IRR on the top 0.18, cost of equity below it 0.18, earning per share minus dividend per share, the whole is divided by the cost of equity, which comes to be 140. Now we are going to discuss another topic which is related to Growth. Growth growth can be defined in the form of G. G is equal to R multiplied by IRR, or G is equal to B into R. Cost of equity is dividend slash MP plus G. MP is market price. So retention ratio, suppose we are given 0.5, IRR we are given 0.3, growth is given 10.5, new payout is given 0.5, dividend is given 6.5, market price is given 150. So earning per share formula can also be derived from dividend divided by payout. So we look somewhere on the we can say right hand side. In the last line it is written cost of equity is 5 divided by 150 plus growth. Growth is 0.15. So growth we are calculating from the top, which is RR into IRR. 0.5 multiplied by 0.3 is equal to 0.15. So payout is 1 minus retention ratio. Retention ratio is point growth divided by IRR. 0.105 is the growth divided by IRR is 0.3, which comes to 0.35. Earning per share is 6.5 divided by 0.65 is equal to 10. So payout automatically comes as it is given is 0.5. From 10 multiplied by 0.5 comes 5. So finally cost of equity is 5 divided by 150 plus 1.15 is equal to 0.1833, which is 18.33%. Thank you. It's Cardinal Home Group Division. Mobile number is given 8528964543. It is pertaining to class 1st to 10th all subjects +1 +2 commerce BCom CA CS maths accountancy economics business studies costing corporate tax income tax DST indirect taxes management accounting operations tally mark Java. Thank you.